Lesson 1. Vectors and Vector Operations. Welcome to MATSEC IM Applied Mathematics. Let's start with vectors. When adding vectors, you simply add their matching components together. To find the magnitude of a vector, you take the square root of the sum of the squared components. For example, a vector of 6i minus 8j has a magnitude of 10. If you need a unit vector, simply divide the original vector by its magnitude. We also deal with position vectors. To find the vector from point A to point B, you subtract the position vector of A from the position vector of B. This logic extends to the vector equation of a straight line, written as r equals a plus lambda d, where a is the position vector of a point on the line and d is the direction vector. Finally, let's look at the scalar product, which is useful when comparing two vectors. To calculate it, multiply the matching I components, multiply the matching j components, and add the results together. The final answer is a scalar, meaning it's just a number with no I or j part.